Now that Apple Vision Pro pre-orders are open, there's a lot more we know about how much accessories will cost, configurations, and other details. And as you might expect, fully kitting out a Vision Pro will make quite the dent in your wallet. For starters, the base model of the Vision Pro with 256GB of storage starts at $3,499. Getting 512GB bumps up the cost to $3,699, and 1TB will cost $3,299. All that moolah will get you the Apple Vision Pro headset with a light seal cushion, and a solo knit band. Also in the box are a dual loop band, a cover, a battery, an extra light seal cushion, Apple's polishing cloth, and a 30W USB-C power adapter and charging cable. However, if you want to add Apple Care Plus, that'll be an extra $499. You should know that the deductible for Vision Pro coverage is also another $300. Meanwhile, Apple also offers a bunch of accessories. Here's a breakdown. Travel case, $199. Extra battery, $199. Zeiss. Optical inserts, start at $99. Can go up, depending on the type that you need for your prescription. Extra light seal, $199. Extra light seal cushion, $29. Belkin battery holder, $49.95. Extra solo. Knit band, $99. Extra dual loop band, $99. Extra charging cable, $29. Extra power brick, $39. Your total cost will, of course, depend on how many extras you buy. However, if you plan on using the Vision Pro with another person, you may need to shell out for extra light seals, cushions, head straps, and Zeiss optical inserts, as everyone needs their own fit. Speaking of fit, going through the pre-order process involves doing a Face ID scan on your phone or iPad to estimate your fit. You'll also have to fill out a questionnaire about your vision and the types of corrective lenses you wear to determine what sort of Zeiss inserts you'll need. As for the range of prescriptions supported, that's a bit murkier. So far, Apple's support page says that Zeiss inserts are available for the vast majority of corrections, including for customers who normally use progressive or bifocal lenses. However, hard contact lenses are not supported, and neither are prescriptions that have prism values, which are often added to address issues like double vision. The support page also notes that people with some medical conditions, like drooping eyelids, changes in eye alignment, iris, strabismus, or amblyopia, or uncontrolled movements, may have difficulties using the Vision Pro's eye tracking. Muzammil Hussain singing off C. You next time.